Green Flash is a 47-foot luxury cruising catamaran with 2 queen-size berths and a kids' cabin for when we have families aboard. While being a luxury cruising yacht, Green Flash is also a performance sailing catamaran, easily reaching speeds up to 14 knots, which is twice as fast as the average cruising catamaran.
Green Flash is named after the natural phenomenon that happens as the sun sets over the ocean, which creates this beautiful flash of green over the horizon.
A really unique feature about Green Flash is the master cabin. Our master cabin is larger than any in our class. The cabins have large opening windows that allow the tropical breeze to flow throughout. Our interior is very luxurious. It has maple with teak trim. It creates a very nice atmosphere. The cockpit has large areas for lounging, for dining, for socializing, or just plain hanging out day or night. The foredeck is very spacious. It's very comfortable. We have lounge pads. It's very private. You can enjoy the trampolines. The tropical breeze comes up, keeps it nice and cool. It's just a great place to sunbathe and enjoy yourself. Green Flash has so many water toys. We've got stand-up paddle boards, we've got a wakeboard, we've got a tow tube, we've got a 2-man kayak, also a kneeboard, snorkeling gear, and air mats and noodles to float around.
As chef aboard Green Flash, I feel that it's not only important to serve high-quality food, but also flavors that fit the tropical environment. My food is influenced by Mediterranean, Mexican, South American, and particularly California coastal cuisine. I use fresh fruits and vegetables, meats and cheeses to create flavor profiles that make every meal enjoyable.
Green Flash is a great charter for 2 couples, families, and the Master Suite is especially great for honeymooners. We have the understanding to custom tailor the charter experience to each and every one of our guests. Green Flash has all the elements that create the ideal yachting experience.